Alpha XtraBoost Review. What is Alpha XtraBoost? Alpha XtraBoost is an all-natural dietary formula developed to help men regain control of their sexual health problems. Available in nutritional pills, health experts created this product using natural, safe, and effective ingredients. Alpha XtraBoost claims to help users revive their declining sexual life without developing any side effects with natural ingredients. According to the manufacturer, the ingredients were sourced from local growers that allow plants to reach their full maturity naturally and use no herbicides. Additionally, the product claims to be 100% effective, produced in the right way and in the right proportions to keep the properties of its ingredients intact. It is produced under strict sterile standards using regularly disinfected equipment. How does Alpha XtraBoost work? The Alpha XtraBoost Man's Sexual Health Enhancer works comprehensively to deliver impressive long-term goals. Once assimilated into the user's digestive system, it begins to provide several health benefits for men. Used consistently, users can experience results within a few weeks or even earlier. However, since it contains natural ingredients, users need to remain patient to see the ultimate results. Once absorbed in the body, Alpha Xtra boosts blood flow and circulation to men's sexual organs and regions. This helps users get and maintain better and lasting erections on command. Additionally, this supplement flushes out toxins that could hinder the blood flow and eliminate any harmful substances in the body, leading to improved sexual health. Significantly, Alpha Xtra enhances the body's metabolism levels and helps it naturally fight weight gain, which is another impediment to sexual health. In addition to these, Alpha Xtra regulates hormone levels and helps men attain effective arousals. It increases testosterone levels, mainly assisting men to achieve better erections. Consequently, users of this product can effectively fight sexual issues such as erectile dysfunction and premature ejaculation. Why is Alpha XtraBoost trustworthy? With so many counterfeit sexual health supplements on the market, people are afraid to use any product that claims to improve their sexual health. However, the Alpha XtraBoost formula is safe and uses only natural ingredients. Notably, the supplement is tested for safety and efficacy. According to the creator, there is no risk in using this supplement. Thousands of men have used the product, with no reported or claims of adverse side effects. The positive reviews on the website are also a testimony that people can trust this product. Overall, consumers can use the Alpha XtraBoost formula without any fear. All the same, users should check the list of ingredients to ensure that they are not allergic to them. Notably, users should consult their healthcare providers before using the supplement. Alpha XtraBoost Final Verdict. It is safe to conclude that Alpha XtraBoost can help men improve their sexual health based on its natural composition. The product is free from any side effects because it has no harmful elements. The outcome depends on the user's ability to follow the manufacturer's guidelines and use the supplement consistently. Thanks for watching Alpha XtraBoost Review.